Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Sometimes the monthly search trends from Google can be pretty revealing. In November, the top search trends included some of what you would expect: Thanksgiving, recipes for pies, football, Black Friday deals, and of course, Taylor Swift. But also on the trends list was fatigue. Google's Elizabeth Howard.
We also saw people searching for burnout. So what are the stages of burnout, academic burnout, relationship burnout? Why am I so tired after eating, which might have been a search after eating all that turkey on Thanksgiving. And why am I yawning when I'm not even tired?
Which leads us to another trending search for coffee and coffee makers. You can find more at google.com/trends, and don't forget to check out our full interviews. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.